We are here waiting in line for Darian Mensah autograph meet and greet. Charmar Brown's here also.
Is that like in the drip?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, man. Cooper from Duke. It's a packed house here. What's up, Darren? Good, man. Good to meet you. You can sign. Darren, appreciate you, brother. Here's the blue marker. It's all about the U.